Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Please remember that what follows is based on my personal experience with UBS. Today, we're exploring the website of UBS, found at www.ubs.com. Navigating their online presence gives you a glimpse into the breadth of services this global financial giant offers. From wealth management solutions for high-net-worth individuals to investment banking and asset management, the site is a portal to a vast network of financial resources. UBS clearly targets a sophisticated clientele, and their website reflects this. The design is clean, modern, and professional, prioritizing clarity and ease of navigation. You'll find detailed information on their various services, including specific offerings for private clients, institutional investors, and corporations. The site also provides access to market research, insights, and expert analysis, showcasing UBS's commitment to providing valuable knowledge to their clients. Furthermore, UBS emphasizes its global reach, highlighting its presence in key financial centers around the world. This international focus is underscored by the availability of the website in multiple languages, catering to a diverse client base. They also showcase their commitment to sustainability and responsible investing, reflecting the growing importance of these values in the financial world. The website structure allows for easy exploration of these topics, making it straightforward for visitors to learn more about UBS's approach. Beyond the core services, the UBS website also features sections dedicated to careers, news, and media relations. This provides a comprehensive view of the company, allowing prospective employees, journalists, and the general public to gain a deeper understanding of UBS's operations and values. They even dedicate space to thought leadership pieces, reinforcing their position as a thought leader in the finance industry. Finally, navigating through the website reveals a commitment to security and client confidentiality, essential qualities for any financial institution. This includes information on data protection and regulatory compliance, further building trust with their audience.